Alright, I think I might see an antler. Alright, now I'm going to show you the difference after the skid steer comes through. It's a beautiful little top of a ridge right here that I'm making. Check this out, I got a new pair of brunt boots. They sent me to try them out, and because of the way my feet are, like this right here, one foot is wider than the other, so they have this adjustable system, they call it, if you need it a little wider and more comfortable, where you can pull layers out. And then there's still the main triple layer in there. So today I'm going to give these a try and see how they work. Yeah, this one actually dumps fuel out very quickly. That's how you create more space when you don't really have it. I'm going to get this slash pile here is like as tall as I could possibly get the boom up, and with this size machine that's pretty high up. If I don't tip myself over first. Come on, baby. Oh, there we go. Alright, this ain't gonna work like this camera. Alright, Phil's stopping in on my plot. He's gonna knock down some of the little bitty stobs that are a little harder to pull out. Seen me wave them on to go ahead and come on in. That's alright, we got grapple work to do yet in all of the plots, or most of them, not all of them. Some are done already. Alright, I think I might see an antler. Maybe, maybe not. I gotta stretch my legs out anyways for a minute. Oh man, that's rough. Oh, looky here. I think, was I right? Yep. Oh, a spiker. Nice. Alright, a little bonus prize. Oh, here's a midstream look. I don't know what plot I'm even on, like 5, 6, or 7. So I hear Phil, my trail is over there. I was debating on connecting it because the entrance is here. I was debating on connecting it to the trail down this way, but I'm not sure where it runs. It's a beautiful little top of a ridge right here that I'm making this plot on. Oh man, I don't feel like walking through there. I got plenty of tick spray, but to see where my trail is. If my trail is down here, because there's some kind of opening there, and this would be a great double entrance to this plot. But how do we get there? What is this opening right here? I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. Yeah, the trail crosses through here over there. So yeah, I'm not sure it'll be worth it to make a trail here. I might. I guess we'll see. All right, let's get back up and get back to pulling trees. Oh, that's not right there. One tips over. I think I'm All right, now I'm going to show you the difference after the skid steer comes through and cleans it up. Same trail we came in on, but Phil's been at it. I wanted him to work on the stobs and so forth, so should be a lot cleaner, a bit smoother as well. And it's obviously, it seems dry enough where he hasn't got stuck yet at this point. Yeah, much nicer. I'm not going to run you all the way back because you've seen the trail. Yeah, much better right now. Don't forget, like and subscribe and share it if you appreciate joining us on these adventures. Oh, look at how pretty this is right here. Beautiful. Oh, there's Phil. All right, I got to get his attention. All right, I got a hold of Phil. He said he's almost done. He's got one more spot left to clean up. Yeah, this is much better trail here. Way better. All right, I found my third shed so far on 291, and we got a double whammy. Felipe found one. Nice. I was wondering if we're ever going to start finding them in this jungle.
We're just trying to stay out of the mud holes.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. All right, this was where Phil got stuck. It's a few days later now. I'm just gonna try and cross it again. They're like spears and tracks. Now I gotta make it in the Honda. All right, so man, that other half of the trail looks 10 times better than when we come through this morning. So I'm gonna head out, but I'm gonna work on that culvert. So I guess we'll see you on the next video, hopefully. So here's a look at the field after it's cleaned up. This is where we got that bonus concrete. I'm gonna put a gravel pad next to it and a gravel drive so somebody could park something on there if they want. Looks like I got a stump here that needs to come out. Phil ran the brush cutter over this today. This is going to be beautifully green here shortly, now that we uncovered a lot of the thatch off of the top. Probably needs just a little more grapple cleanup here, but this property lays out so beautiful because this home site, it's off the road enough to be totally private, but it's also just on that 10-acre strip where it has absolutely zero effect on the other 200 and some acres in the back. All right, here's a look. It's April 10th of the food plot I was working on. Like I said, this is probably number 6 or 7. Because me and Curtis have both been doing them, and I ran out of fuel just now. Well, I didn't run out, but it's in the red. Beautiful, another really hidden, secluded plot. It pitches downhill this way a little, so I cut a little bump out in that corner to tuck a blind in there for evening thermals are going to go downhill. Got some oaks here on the edges, pretty decent oaks, so can't wait to start planting and get this cleaned up. It's beautiful.